Welcome to Noel's Humors. We're going to need these bottle jars to make the lava lamp, and we're going to need this baking soda to help the lava lamp too. We're also going to need a big spoon to help us do the lava lamp too. We're even going to need this food color to help us in the lava lamp too. We're also going to need this little spoon to mix up this vinegar. Then we're going to need this oil and this vinegar. So let's get started. I'm just excited because we're going to do this project. Pouring some sugar. Oh, sorry, I meant baking soda into this bottle jar. Is it enough?
A little bit more.
Okay. The next step is to put food color in the vinegar. The next step is to put oil into the bottle. Done filling the bottle all the way up, almost all the way up to your bottle. You have this spoon here to put it in the bottle. Oh! Hi, friend. Did you notice the balloon with the dark little phone under it when it's flashlight? Look at it.